Poppy from Ivy and Poppy's Craft Channel, and today we'll be making something for our mini castle. It's going to be in the kitchen, so it's going to be a kitchen side. All you need for it is a pair of scissors, some double-sided tape or a glue gun, and some cardboard. And some pens if you like. So we're just going to start off by cutting some little rectangles to stack on top of each other. So I'm just going to cut out 4 or 5, and they don't have to be exactly the same. And then you're just going to put them on top of each other just like this. So that's going to be part of it. And then you're going to get some more cardboard and you're going to cut out a square. Just like this. And it will be like the same size as your other rectangles. And then all you need to do is cut out 2 little shelves. To stick on like just there, and then you need to get these, and if you have a glue gun that's fine, and all you need to do is just stick all of these rectangles together. So I'm going to put double-sided tape on them all. So I have just stuck them all down like this, and I'm just going to trim the edges of the side. That's okay. Oh, this has just come undone. And if you don't have a glue gun or double-sided tape, there's a video on our channel of how to make double-sided tape. So there you go. And then with your board, you just need to, so that's a bit big, so I'm just going to trim that. Like that. And then you just need to stick it down to the side. Just come undone again. So like that. And then if you want to stick it to the side, you just stick it there almost. I've stuck that down and stick the side on like that. Then you need to get your little shelves again, and you're going to stick them like that. So get double-sided tape and stick it to the side of your shelf. Like that. And then stick one higher, and then stick the other one a bit lower. Or you can have them the same height. So that's it, and then I'm just gonna cut 2 circles out of got 2 circles for like a hobble mouse, and you would just stick them down. So there you go, and there's your kitchen side. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.